Japanese engineering prides itself on its incredible skills in machine craftsmanship. Takisawa Japan is one of the world's leading companies for turning solutions. Takisawa machines are extremely accurate, repeatable, and they are built to last. Hello, it's Kasra Mehraky here from Ward CNC. I'm here at EMO2023 with our principal partners, Takisawa Japan, and I'm accompanied with Mr. Yamanishi, Chief Sales of the European Division. Hello, Mr. Yamanishi.
Good morning, Mr. Mehraky.
How are you?
Yeah, great, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, very good, thanks. Yeah, it's great to be here at your stand in 2023 EMO. So for those who are watching this video and might not be familiar with Takisawa Japan, could you give us a bit of a background to the company?
Sure. So Takisawa Japan has been established for over 100 years in the machine tool sector. We are specialized in lathe and turning solutions. And also we are very specialized in piston turning, and it has been delivered to the many automotive racing sectors. And we have comprehensive range of turning machines with options for automatic loading and unloading and inspections and so on. So this is our solutions are well designed for this automation era.
Great. And you have new exciting products that you're launching at EMO, is that correct?
Yes, absolutely. So we have TM3000, TMS2000S, TT2602WG, and TMX4002ST.
Great. So shall we look at them one by one?
Sure.
Okay, let's start with TM3000Y2. Could you tell us some information about this machine?
Yes, sure. This is a very capable twin spindle twin turret machine. Each turret equipped with a milling capability on Y-axis. It's ideal for bar machining. You can also use it as a two independent machines as the CNC runs with two channels independently.
Yeah, I'm quite familiar with this machine because we recently got one of these in our Reddit showroom.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, Mr. Yamanishi, so we're looking at the TMS2000S machine. Could you tell us some information about this one?
Sure. The TMS2000 is a high-performance twin spindle lathe with Y-axis. The TMS2000 was developed in response to the emerging market and the need to expand the lineup in order to develop new customers, including market outside automotive industry.
Great, this looks like a very fully equipped machine. It's got the automatic tool setting arm, a part catcher, and obviously, as you mentioned, a twin spindle setup.
Exactly.
Okay, Mr. Yamanishi, now let's talk about the TT range. I'm quite familiar with this range because we can see these machines everywhere in the UK. So who is this machine for exactly?
Okay, the TT range can be used in many industries. The TT range complies with a two-facing spindle setup, usually with a single or double gantry loader setup. These machines are all about repeatability and short cycle time. In many industries, Takisawa TT range has almost no competition when it comes to cycle time. The billets can be stored as stock configuration in a pickup station, and the gantry loader tends to both spindle. This TT2600 equipped with a 12-inch chuck with a single gantry loader and a pickup station. These are various options that can be added to this machine, including second gantry and storage station and a quality checking station and so on.
Fantastic. Yeah, it looks like a very, very capable machine and a high-speed machine. Now, Mr. Yamanishi, let's talk about the star of the show. So this is the TMX4000ST. Could you tell us some information about this machine?
Sure. A multitasking machine with a powerful two spindle and high precision left-right spindle. Simultaneous 5-axis machining comes as a standard and enabling manufacturing complex parts. The tool spindle is equipped with an induction built-in motor. It is equipped with a funnel control and a 12-station lower turret.
Fantastic. Yeah, this looks like a very, very capable setup. And how many tools can be stored in the tool magazine?
It can be stored from 40 as a standard up to 120.
So how about automation on this machine?
Yes, so this machine has got in-machine unloader and conveyor. So each can unload the parts automatically.
Great. And Could we equip this machine with a steady rest as well?
Yes, so we have a preparation for the steady rest for the lower turret, or instead we can replace the turret to steady rest setup.
Right. Great. And what is the maximum turning diameter on this machine?
Okay, so by using a tool spindle, it goes up to 500, and the length can be 1,500.
Great. And for those customers who can't actually make it to the exhibition, where can they find more information about these machines?
Well, customers can always visit takisawa.co.jp, and of course we have a global dealer network, partners including yourself, TW Ward.
Thank you very much, Mr. Yamanishi.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mehraky.
There you have it. If you would like to get more information about Takisawa Japan machines, please visit takisawa.co.jp. Or for those of you who are based in the UK or Ireland, you can visit wardcnc.com or simply contact the number on your screen. Thanks.